Starting today, I'm taking on the 100K challenge using only AI, my own tools, and just raw execution. I've got 12 months and only one shot, and I'm starting with my app, Ray Transcribes. So this is my moment to learn and be a new entrepreneur and make my first $100,000 online. So I'm just one guy with code using these AI tools, and you're gonna see a lot of these experiments live. So if you're interested, definitely tune in and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I know what you're asking. Will this work? Am I just gonna crash and burn? I don't know. You'll get to find out. But here's what I do know. For every episode, I'm gonna pop in, whether it's a live stream, a recorded vlog content like this, and I'm gonna show you what is working and what is not working. It's really important that I show you what's failing and also what's working, so that way you can copy what I learned. So this is just gonna be pure, raw, building, learning as we go, trying to be my entrepreneur with my first 100K. There's no gatekeeping and there's absolutely no fluff. So if you ever thought about starting your own business and you want to see the real, raw, uncut thing, make sure you hit subscribe and follow along, because I'm going to be posting all these episodes here live on my channel. So tomorrow, I'm going to show you the one thing that most people get wrong on day one and how I'm setting up to avoid it. I'll see you then.